since I crossed over to being a vegan. So when I got this package in the mail from Plant Strong, this is a sweet potato and ancient grain pancake and waffle mix, and I decided that I wanted to zhuzh it up by adding bananas because I love bananas and it should add a little sweetness. Now, pancakes has a memory for me because this is something that my mom used to always make for me, and I was excited when I got sent this. It's only this mix plus a liquid that you add to it, and I can't wait to see how these turn out. I'm going to top it off with a berry compote. And what I really enjoy about Plant Strong, and this is, I am an affiliate, but I'm also a truthful person. Like, I'm not going to tell you it tastes good just because you sent me something. But I really enjoy Plant Strong products. And the reason why I enjoy Plant Strong products is because whenever you are getting a plant product in the store, it should not have a whole bunch of different ingredients except for maybe the product plus 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't need no backup dancers. I don't need a choir. I just need the ingredients, and the other ingredients should be, if it's not from the ground, put it down. And a lot of the products that you're seeing in the store have a lot of different products. And what I love about Plant Strong is that they are very intentional, from their milks, from their chilies, from their soups, from their meat products. They are very intentional because they believe if it's not from the ground, put it down. And they also use ingredients that you can pronounce. Like, for instance, this has sweet potato in it. It also has dates. It has whole grain flour, cinnamon, salt. All these things I can't pronounce, and whenever I'm looking for a product, I don't want to be confused on if it's good for me or not. So we're going to get started and get this on the way because I cannot wait to taste this. So we're going to add these bananas that I've already cut up one at a time so they don't clump. I feel like I should do it with my hands. product. Sweet potato banana pancakes topped with a chia seed berry compote, and I sprinkled a little, coconut on top. To get best tasting pancakes, you have to layer it with butter. You have to layer it. So, yeah. So I'm excited to try this. Let's see what this is all about. Okay. There we go. Want to get a zoom. 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 Ooh. Okay. So, I'm going to take off the top layer. Get a little bit of compote. Get a little bit of compote on here. I love it. I love it. I thought it was going to taste like sweet potatoes and it might be overpowering, but it's even. What I love about this, quick, easy. The whole thing took me probably about 10-15 minutes. It's great for your kids. Yes, indeed. Ooh-wee.